Hi friends, today I am going to share one more video regarding the some important interesting facts about the earth. So in this video I am going to tell you important interesting facts about the earth. So earth is the third planet from the sun, and the word earth came from the old English language. So earth, it means ground or land. First fact is that plate tectonics keep comfortable to the planet Earth. For a long time, people believe that earthquake and volcanism are the result of aggregates, but this is not fact. Fact is that the earthquake, volcanoes, oceans, mountains, these are the important events in the tectonics because it shaped the landscape of our planet, that is the Earth. And from the landscape, the life was evolved, life was born. Over a long time, the remnants of life rich in carbon are carried back into the interior of the earth and recycled. And this pulls carbon out of the atmosphere, which makes sure we don't suffer a runaway greenhouse effect, which is what happened on Venus. Without the action of plate tectonics, there would be no way to recycle this carbon and the earth would become overheated. So therefore, this is very, very important. So plate tectonics keeps comfortable to the planet Earth. Then second interesting fact is that 71% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. So when first time astronauts went into the space, they looked back at the Earth with human eyes for the first time. Based on their observation, the Earth acquired the nickname that is the blue planet. And it's no surprise, seeing as how 31% of our planet is covered with ocean. The remaining, that is the 29% of the solid crust, that is located above the sea level. Hence, it is called as continental crust. Then third interesting fact is that the Earth's atmosphere ranges up to the distance of 10,000 kilometers. So basically, above the Earth, there are different layers. So we can say that troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. So troposphere having height up to the 20 kilometers. Stratosphere up to the height of 50 kilometers. So in this way, exosphere up to the 10,000 kilometers. So what happens? The bulk of Earth's atmosphere is down near the Earth itself. In fact, 75% of the Earth's atmosphere is contained within the first 11 kilometers on the planet. The remaining outermost layer, that is the exosphere, is the largest, extending from the exobase, that is the top of that thermosphere, at an altitude of about 700 kilometers above sea level to about 10,000 kilometers. The exosphere merged with the outer space where there is no atmosphere. So after the exosphere, atmosphere is lost. So this is the second important interesting fact. The Earth is the only planet which have water found in three states. So basically there are three states, that is the solid, liquid and gaseous. Earth is the only planet where water is abundant, present in all three states. The three states are solid water, means those water in the form of ice or snow. Liquid water, so that is nothing but the water what we can drink regularly. And gaseous water in the form of vapors. These are the three states which is found on the Earth. If the distance of the Earth is away from present distance or near to the Sun from the present distance, there will be not water found in the three states. So this is the very, very important fact. Because of the location of the Earth, the water is found in three states, that is the solid, liquid and gaseous. Then fourth interesting fact is that the Earth is the only planet known to have life. We have discovered past evidence of water and organic molecules on Mars and other Saturn, Moon, Titan, etc. But there is no existence of life on the other planet. But Earth is a single planet. Earth is the only one planet in the solar system having life. But Earth remains the only place we know of where there is life. Now that is an interesting fact. Then fifth one is the uneven gravity on the Earth. So when we see the globe of the Earth from the equator to the North Pole and equator to South Pole, the gravity value of the Earth is increases. So gravity value increases from 9.78 meter per second square at equator, and at the polar region that is a 9.832 meter per second square. So that is the approximately 5% more than that of the poles than that equator. Then last interesting fact is the Earth has a very powerful magnetic field. Because Earth itself a giant magnet. We are very familiar with this one. So Earth having magnetic field because of 2-3 reasons. First one is that Earth having magnetic minerals. That is the first. And second one is that the convection currents which are present in the core, outer core. So that's why Earth got a magnetic field. And the effect of the solar winds and the believed to be the result of the nickel and iron ore of the planet combined with its rapid rotation. That is what as we can say that convection current. Due to this, Earth having magnetic field. So the geographical pole and a magnetic pole, these are the two different poles of the Earth. In this figure we can see clearly North Pole, which is magnetic, which is tilted, slightly tilted, whereas geographical pole is straight. So I hope this video is really good for knowing some interesting facts about the Earth. So hope this video useful to you. Thank you.